Hello guys, nice to meet you all. Before we proceed to the main topic of this video, so please note, don't try this at any production environment except your sandbox or your private lab that doesn't have any connection into your corporate. And also, I might be not perfect as the expert you know. I'm still learning, so if you are same as me, so then you are in the right place. So today, I want to try to play with the CoinMiner malware. As you can see, I already got the malware sample. So let's check first the hash. Copy the SHA 260 and then check to copy in here. Yeah, so this is the Monero CoinMiner, yeah. And then the second, let's try to do some static analysis using the Take It Easy. Please wait a second and the output in here. The compiler said this is a Microsoft Visual C, and then the mode is 64-bit. Then let's check on the detail. Yeah, this is 64. And then let's take a look at strings first. Where is string? String. Let's check the string. And then let's check the URL. Okay. HTTP. Oh, okay. This is one the documentation, I think, yeah, for the legitimate part. This is also the hidden. Let's check the value string. Let's copy this string. Yeah, I already copied it. So this is the xmrig.com benchmark. Text, that is username, password, something. Okay. And next, let's take a look at the import. So there is several library that already been imported in here, but I already analyzed for several red flag inside this malware. So I already created the summary. The first one is the WSASend. This function is send data on the connected socket. So the malware itself, it needs some established connection between the victim and then the attacker part. And then, as you can see, this is the CNC library, yeah, where WSARecv, so the function receive data from a connected socket, which means the attacker will receive some data that already sent from the victim side. So the persistent part from this library, ADV API 32, so it will create service, as you can see, the service object, and add it to the specified service control manager database. Then open SCM manager W. The function is establish a connection to the service control manager on the specified computer and open the specified service control manager database. So this, it will start the service also, delete a service also, and then write a console load resource virtual alloc. This is a function reserve, commit, or change region of page in the virtual address space, etc. So the malware also will be create a file, the function create or open a file into the device. Also the write file, and then the create file itself, this function is the ANSI version of the create file. It's create or open a file or input or output device using multi-byte character string for the file name. Okay, so before we debug this malware, because this is as you can see on the library, it needs some configuration, yeah, to run. So I create a config.json. This is a dummy configuration for my site. This one is my Kali IP address that already been set in here. So what you need to do is you need to clone the xmrig repository proxy from the GitHub and then enter it, and then you just type cmake then double dot in here. Then the last one, you need to create the config.json in here. So I already created, and let's see the configuration. So I will bind any connection from the 3333 port. The URL is also, this is a dummy URL. I don't have any legit miner website or something else, so I will just create a dummy, and let's see if I'm luck, the malware will be works. Yeah, then you need to run the proxy. Then if you want to check if there is a successful connection, do some TCP dump. Okay, I already listening it. So from the Windows, all you need to do first, let's set a breakpoint into the several. Let's start with the connection part. Okay, F2, then say send breakpoint point, and then oops, sorry, GetAddrInfoW breakpoint also. Then we need to record it. So all you need to do is press this filter button, and then add process name is the file of the malware that you want to record, and then just add, and then okay. So next, let's start to debugging it from the first breakpoint. Let's see. Next, the file is open. Next, yeah. So as you can see on the FreeAddrInfoW, right? This is my Kali IP address in here. So as you can check, it's load the configuration. So there is several IP address in here, yeah. So let's take a look. New page permission grant. Okay, this is the pool. This is my Kali IP address. Let's see. Yeah, sorry, let's just record it also, yeah. Let's see. Next. Let's wait. Oh, I'm not luck. So the operation is cancelled because connect error. Let's try one more time. Running. Let's pay attention in here also. How does this work? It's fail. Then return it. Okay. First last time is also same. We'll loop. Wait, this is the last one, I think. I think it will not work. Oh, sorry, it's already in use, yeah, because we use the proxy. Several IP address in here. Let's check it out. What is the IP address? Yeah, as you can see, the GCP also marked this as a minor. Let's check the others. Selections. Yep, minor also. Take a look. Yeah, it is paused because the service won't be created. Yeah, let's take a okay. As you can see, the malware tried to load some OpenSSL.config in here, which is I don't have any. The pet not found. Yep, it will load the config.json, yeah. Also next, TCP IP parameter. Create a key, okay. Let's next into this persistent library. Ports, let's set it. Create surface. Management manager. Breakpoint. Start surface. Breakpoint. Surface. Breakpoint. Then read. Run. Just clear it. Then try again. Let's just wait and see what is the output from here. Okay, the operation is also cancelled, yeah, because this is not a legit miner, yeah, that I don't have any the legitimate part. So the malware is not successful. Let's see, let's just wait one more row. If the last one is not working, I think this malware waits a real miner website to be accomplished. Okay, it won't work. Let's forget it, delete the breakpoint and restart. Let's start the last breakpoint, yeah, right console. Let's see, and load resource. Lock the breakpoint. Let's see. File. Okay, let's try to delete it again. The proc one. Okay, let's just start it. Okay, so the last breakpoint, as you can see, the malware will load the config.json that I already create. So in here, from a common file SSL conf, it's load the open SSL config that which is I don't have any. Next, rent it. Let's next. Okay, it's create a file. Let's see. Okay, let's wait. I think now the malware need to load the configuration for my dummy. Here. Yep. Okay, next. Yeah, the operation is cancelled also. So I think this malware won't work unless we have a legit or the real miner domain. Yeah. So the full IOC I already create. I already wrote on the Medium article. Please visit. I will put it on description. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe me, follow me, and see you in the next video. And also, if you have any comment or something else you want to add, please put your comment below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.